first, we need to get all the needed components. We have a breadboard, or a small breadboard. Then 8 resistors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then next, 4 LED or light emitting diode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next, 2 capacitor. We have 1, 2. Then 556 timer or a dual timer. Then polarized capacitor, 2 polarized capacitor. Then lastly, the battery, the 9-volt battery. So we need to put this in the center. The next LED, need to put this here and also in a top. Then the third one, need to put it here. Then lastly, also here. The next, the resistor. We need to change this and 390 ohms. Also this one, 390 ohms. And we need to put this in a LED. Here. Then also here at the top. Then in the right side also 290 ohms. Then 390 ohms. Just like in the left side. Then also this one, we need to change it in 100 kilo ohms. Then the another one, 220 kilo ohms. Then let's put it in the top again. We need to change their position. Also this one in the bottom side. Here. Then this again 100 kilo ohms. Then the other one 220 kilo ohms. Put this in the change the position again. Then this 220. We put this here. Here. Then our polarized capacitor. And also the second polarized capacitor. Then lastly, the capacitor, we need to put this here. Then the second one also here. So it's done. Let's connect the battery and the breadboard. We have the positive to the positive of the battery. Then the negative to negative. Also here, we need to connect this in the bottom. The negative to negative. Then again, positive to positive. So next, test polarized capacitor to the 556. Then here to here. Then test capacitor to the third of 556. Then the negative of polarized capacitor to capacitor. Then the LED to the fifth of 556. I mean 5. Then the resistor to the fourth of 556. Then the 390 to 100 resistor. The LED to the negative of polarized capacitor. Then ten of 556 to resistor. Then here to here. And also here to LED. The 12 of 556 to resistor. Then also 8 of the 556 to 220 resistor. Then the 11th of 556 to capacitor. Capacitor to polarized capacitor, negative of polarized capacitor. Then the negative of polarized capacitor to the left of polarized capacitor, negative also. Then here to LED. Also here. Then test 1 also. We need to connect the positive and the bottom negative. Then let's try to hold here the 7th of 556 polarized capacitor. Let's try to connect check if everything are connected. So let's change the color of LED. Change this to blue, then this orange, yellow, then green, then so let's try to stimulate.